Looking to sign in with your email on Nintendo Switch from your PC or laptop? If you can't scan the QR code with your phone right now, you can still sign in using your email and password. In this video, I'll show you how to log in with your email and password on your Switch. Let's dive in. First, from your home page, tap on User Account. Then from the side menu, navigate to the User Settings option. Now here, tap on Check Your Account Information. Then tap on Check Using the System. After a bit of loading, a QR code will pop up, but we are not going to use QR code today. So now you have to tap on Other Sign-in Methods. Now type your password here, then tap OK, and your signing in is done. And that's it. Now you know how to sign in to your Nintendo Switch using your email and password. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.